Welcome to the America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ABCCI, powered by the American Business Podcast. ABCCI is a virtual chamber of commerce to help you connect, collaborate, educate, and grow your business in this age of AI. ABCCI is virtual. You can connect national professionals, executives, leaders, virtually anytime you like. Because it's virtual, we remove all the boundaries. We are a national chamber of commerce. We are America's chamber of commerce for business growth, connection, collaboration, and at the end of the day, we help America's economy and business grow and take next steps in this age of AI. At ABCCI, we have more than 10 committees to help business community grow, connect, and collaborate. For example, we have Business Book Club designed for professionals, business leaders to talk about and review business books and also interview published authors. We have Public Speakers Club. Public speaking is not easy. However, we encourage business professionals to get this skill and promote it. That's why we created ABCCI Public Speakers Club, to promote and encourage public speakers at ABCCI. Join us. Go to abcci.us website, learn more about ABCCI and its activities, and sign up and be a member. Remember, committee meetings are complimentary. You can sign up anytime that you like from our events page on abcci.us. When you go to abcci.us, please go to events section and see the coming committee meetings and sign up for the ones that you like and join us. Every single committee meeting is virtual, recorded, and published and streamed in the American Business Podcast. Because the American Business Podcast is fully integrated with ABCCI, America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, every single activity of ABCCI will be an opportunity for publicity and visibility for you and for your business. At ABCCI, you will be connecting, collaborating, and growing your business by making and building business relationships in this age of AI. Go to abcci.us. Please join us, review the website, and we are looking forward to welcoming you at ABCCI. ABCCI is inclusive. From solo entrepreneur to Fortune 500 company, there is something for every single business professional and executive at ABCCI. Join ABCCI, join this modern America's Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and grow your business in this age of AI. Thank you for your support.